Hello, everybody. I'm here to inform you about severe thunderstorms that will be rolling across the tri-state area over this evening. It's very important that you listen closely because this could be affecting your area and it'll be very severe and damaging. So let's get right into it. So over this area, we have a severe we have the heat warnings and the severe thunderstorm watches. We also have some flash flood watches over the northeast, which is it's basically a they're basically saying that this area could be flooded within a matter of hours or minutes. And if I'm gonna go straight to the models right now. So here's one of the models. Here's the simulated radar. So you see those thunderstorms moving across our area. This is Wednesday around uh, 7. Yeah, 7. And you can see these thunderstorms already are moving through Philadelphia. There's some coming closer to New York City. And near Providence, Rhode Island, there's also some thunderstorms. So if we just move on, this is at Thursday, 10 p.m. right now. They start to intensify over the New York City area around Thursday, 12 a.m. And they keep on moving along, and then they eventually go off to sea, and then we have another batch that'll be moving into Canada and won't be affecting this area. But you see this little part over here, this little cell moving through Philadelphia into central New Jersey. That's over Thursday, and that won't be that bad. It's just one little cell. Let's move on to another model. Here is the forecasted rainfall. So we'll keep on going. And these grays, if you ever see a gray, that's anywhere from 3 to 5 inches or 3 to 6 inches of rain. So that's torrential rain that could flood roads easily. And you can see that's in the next 14 hours. You could be seeing this. And if we keep on moving, you see some areas with 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to even 5 inches of rain in some areas. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a isolated 6 inch of rain over upstate New York or even closer to Boston. Now, if we move over here, this is the CAPE. So CAPE is basically like the amount of energy in the atmosphere, and this energy is going to fuel thunderstorms. So the more CAPE we have, the higher the intensity of thunderstorms we're going to have. So let's start over here. This is Wednesday. This is today. And you see, over the midnight hours, we're going to see these CAPE values rise over to around 2 to 3 to even 3,500 in some values. And then there's a batch of heavier CAPE values over the ocean, which luckily that didn't hit us because that would be devastating. And yeah, you really see this surge of moisture and CAPE. This is 5 to 6,000 joules per kilogram, which is a lot of CAPE. That's very rare, and we might have to talk about that later. But moving right along, here is the STP significant tornado parameter, and if you get above a 1, that's a high likeliness for a tornado. And I wouldn't be surprised if we get a twister from this. So you see, there's a bunch of this 0.5 downward, but if you ever see this blue over here, that's like a 70% chance that the models are saying that's like a 70% chance of you having a tornado in that area. It might not be that bad. The tornado might not be that strong, but it's a tornado. And you see this locate it might not be in this exact location, might be a little bit farther north, might be a little bit farther south, but they're still forecasting some sort of tornado out of this system, which means that this system has enough energy and has enough moisture due to that daytime heating from all this warm air that we've been having, that it's able to produce some tornadoes. So I hope that was informative for you guys, and I hope that you guys stay safe this evening. That was me. Goodbye.